Hello, my name is Carolina Andahar, and today we will be discussing how to properly install, remove, and maintain your KPC6-EX and KPC6T-EX Pitot probe covers. Understanding how to safely use and maintain your KPC6-EX and KPC6T-EX Pitot probe covers ensure proper protection and will extend the life of your equipment. The KPC6-EX and KPC6T-EX offer premium protection for Pitot probe sensors and are equipped with a high-temperature silicone head that allows for safe installation of the cover from the ground utilizing the IPEX Pitot installation adapter. The KPC6T-EX is built with a high-temperature silicone probe tip protector that ensures maximum protection for the Collins SmartProbe. Prior to installing the KPC6-EX and the KPC6T-EX, make sure to inspect the product. Inspect the interior of the Pitot probe cover. Grasp the reinforced head of the Pitot probe cover and align it with the end of the Pitot probe sensor. Install the cover in line with the Pitot probe sensor and not at an angle. Slowly press the cover onto the sensor with steady force until the cover is completely installed. To remove the Pitot probe cover, firmly grasp the cover and slowly pull away from the sensor, ensuring the cover remains straight and not at an angle until the cover is removed from the sensor. If the Pitot probe covers are damaged in any way, we recommend replacing your equipment to prevent damage to your aircraft. Clean any dirt or debris off your Executive Series GSE products with warm water and mild soap. Store your Executive Series GSE products in the optional avionics bag or in a dry and safe location. Sesame Technologies Incorporated is a proven leader in the field of ground support equipment, and we thank you for making us part of your maintenance program. Thank you for choosing Sesame Technologies Incorporated Executive Series GSE for your aircraft protection needs.